I wanted the biggest mailbox I could find, so I bought this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here in my garage with my new mailbox. And I wanted to get the biggest mailbox I could find. So for me, what might surprise you is I get a number of packages delivered on a regular basis. And I feel bad for my mail carrier sometimes because he has to bring it up to my garage or my front door or my porch or things like that. And I just thought, hey, maybe I could do him a favor, give him more space in my mailbox so he doesn't have to drive up to my front door and shelter it from the elements. So one of the things that can happen if it's in front of your house is it's raining, the weather's getting kind of bad here. You don't want your packages, your mail soaked. So I went and tried to find the biggest mailbox I could find. I think I found it. Now, I will tell you a couple things that I wanted to do here. One, I wanted to find something that was USPS Postmaster General compliant. So you can actually build a box and call it a mailbox, but that doesn't mean it's a mailbox. So usually these things have to be approved by the post office. Now, the other thing that I have is a Gibraltar post and mounting plate. And so I wanted something by Gibraltar to make sure that this was going to be compatible with my existing post. And so this is what I found. It's heavy duty steel, it's galvanized, it's just a black mailbox, but it is very wide. You can see the dimensions there, 14.3 inches wide, 12.5 inches tall, although it has a little bit of a curved top here to shed rain, and then over 18 inches deep. So hopefully this thing will allow me to get packages and mail without having someone always run up to my front door. So the thing comes fully assembled. There's nothing to do. You can see the little metal flag right there. It's not really that little. Look at how big this thing is compared to my hand. What I like about this is we have this little felt strip or fur strip up here to give it a little insulation. We also have a magnet here. That's how it's going to hold this thing closed. But like I said, look how big this is compared to my hand. And I have medium-sized hands, but you can definitely put a full Amazon box in there. So on the bottom here, what I want to show you is it has sets of holes here. So you can use the holes that are the best fit for the mounting bracket that you have. I love that it's corrugated here on the bottom to give it some structure. It's got a nice deep lip on this side. Metal door, metal hinges. Hopefully all of that will hold up, assuming that nobody drives into it. So let's see if we can get this mounted to the post. All right, I've got the old mailbox off, and it looks like I can use these larger outer holes. That's going to be a little more stable than these inner holes, and I do have the bolts and the locking nylon nuts from the old mailbox. So let's just put it on here. All right, got all the holes lined up, and one thing I want to show you is I've got this cordless drill, and I can actually fit this cordless drill in here, so it's going to be actually a lot easier to screw these bolts together. And I don't think you'd be able to fit this cordless drill into most mailboxes. So that's a pretty nice little feature. Let's get her installed. All right, completely installed, and looks like it works nicely. Nice solid click there on the magnet. And this thing is huge. It fits right on my old Gibraltar plate here. And now, as you can see, it's raining, and all my stuff is gonna stay nice and dry. In fact, this is larger than some apartments I've lived in. So if you wanna pick up this huge, approved mailbox for your house so you can save your delivery guy trips to your front door, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.